Let's take a look at the lesson. Compare customary units by multiplying. It says choose the best answer. If a basket holds 3 pints of blueberries, do 3 baskets hold more than 5 quarts of blueberries? So I know that 3 times 3 is 9. So 3 pints times 3 baskets would be 9 pints. I know that there are 2 pints in a quart. So how many times will 2 fit into 9? 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 4 times, and there would be 1 left over. So no, it does not hold more than 5 quarts of blueberries. It is 4 and 1 pint. So the answer is no. If a tree branch is 2 feet long, are 4 tree branches longer than 3 yards? Well, let's see. 2 feet times 4 tree branches. 2 times 4 equals 8 feet. Well, I know that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, which means that 3 yards is equal to 9 feet. So are 4 branches longer than 3 yards? No, the 4 branches are 8 feet. That is not longer than 9 feet, so no. A water bottle holds a volume of 2 teaspoons. Is the volume of 5 water bottles greater than 4 tablespoons? So let's see first the volume of 5 water bottles. That would be 5 times 2 teaspoons. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So 10 teaspoons of water. I know that there are 3 teaspoons in 1 tablespoon. So 4 tablespoons would be 3 times 4, which would be 12 teaspoons. So 4 tablespoons is equal to 12 teaspoons. So they said, is the volume of 5 water bottles greater than 4 tablespoons? No, 4 tablespoons is 12 teaspoons. And those 5 water bottles would be 10 teaspoons. So no. An ice cream scoop holds 1 teaspoon of ice cream. Do 7 ice cream scoops hold more than 3 tablespoons of ice cream? Well, let's see. 1 teaspoon of ice cream, and there's 7. Okay, so 1 times 7 would equal 7 teaspoons. I know that 1 tablespoon is equal to 3 teaspoons. So that means 3 tablespoons is equal to 9 teaspoons. So do 7 ice cream scoops hold more? They hold 7 teaspoons. It says, does it hold more than 3 tablespoons of ice cream? No, 3 tablespoons of ice cream is 9 teaspoons. It can only hold 7, so no. A water bottle holds a volume of 1 cup. Is the volume of 6 water bottles greater than 1 quart? Well, let's see. 6 water bottles times 1 cup would equal 6 cups. It can hold 6 cups. But I know that 1 quart is equal to 4 cups. So is the volume of 6 water bottles greater than 1 quart? Yes, 6 water bottles is 6 cups. 1 quart is 4 cups. So yes. 1 person at a picnic can eat 4 pints of fruit salad. Can 3 people eat more than 1 gallon of fruit salad? So 4 pints times 3 people, that is equal to 12 pints. All right, and I know if there are 4 quarts in a gallon and each quart has 4 cups, then 4 times 4 will tell us how many cups there are in a gallon. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 cups. Let's see. And 12 pints, each pint is 2, so 12 pints times 2 cups would equal 24 cups. So, can 3 people eat more than 1 gallon of fruit salad? A gallon is 16 cups and they ate 24, so yes. A water bottle holds a volume of 5 pints. Is the volume of 4 water bottles greater than 3 gallons? Well, let's see. We found that there were 16 cups in a gallon. So if we divide that by 2, we'll be able to find out how many pints there are. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. So there are 8 pints in a gallon. Okay. So there's 8 pints in a gallon. And they said a water bottle holds a volume of 5 pints. So what about the volume of 4 water bottles? So we would say 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So that is 20 pints. All right, and they said, is that greater than 3 gallons? Well, I know there's 8 pints in 1 gallon, which would be 16 pints in 2 gallons, or 24 pints in 3 gallons. 24 pints. No, 3 gallons is greater. So no, the volume of 4 water bottles is not greater than 3 gallons. If there are 9 pieces of yarn and each piece of yarn is 2 inches long, are the pieces of yarn longer than 1 foot? So 9 times 2 is 18. That's 18 inches. Well, I know that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So are the pieces of yarn longer than 1 foot? Yes, they're 18 inches, whereas a foot is only 12. So yes. A piece of wood is 10 inches long. Are 9 pieces of wood longer than 2 yards? So let's see. 10 times 9 is equal to 90. So that is 90 inches. They said, is that longer than 2 yards? Well, I know that there are 3 feet per yard. So that would be 6 feet. 6 feet. Times 12, because there are 12 inches in each foot. So 6 feet times 12 inches. So 6 times 10 is 60. Plus 6 times 2 is 12. So 60 plus 12 is 72. 72 inches. Are 9 pieces of wood longer than 2 yards? Yes, they're 90 inches, whereas 2 yards is 72 inches. So yes. A water bottle holds a volume of 10 teaspoons. Is the volume of 3 water bottles greater than 1 cup? Well, let's see. 10 teaspoons times 3 water bottles. 10 times 3 is equal to 30 teaspoons. Well, I know there are 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon. So if we divided this by 3, that would be 10 tablespoons. 30 divided by 3 is 10, so 10 tablespoons. I know that there are 4 tablespoons in a quarter cup. So if we had 4 tablespoons for every quarter cup, we could split this into, let's see, we could say we could do 4 plus 4 plus 2 to make 10. So that would be 1 quarter cup, 2 quarter cups, and then not quite 3 quarter cups. So no, that is not a full cup. Wonderful work, friends.